Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I have some new items to show you from the Rongrong release that's happening right now. These babies just launched, and I'm also going to be doing a plan with me using the new Planner Babe sticker book. It's super cute. We also have 6 pet tapes to show you and this really cute Gatsby planner sticker pack. This is going to be a relatively quick flip through so that I can get to the plan with me portion. But let's just take a look. First, let's look at Gatsby. That's hard to say, Gatsby. I want to say Gatsby, but that's not right. Okay. By the way, I am switching up my my backgrounds just for fun. If you hadn't noticed, every once in a while I do that because I get bored with the same thing all the time. So this is a little sticker pack. It's not a sticker book. There's different sheets in here. Let's take a look. So right off the bat, I feel like this is going to be great for a New Year's Eve spread. This is what it feels like to me. It feels very like chic and I don't know. It just reminds me of New Year's for some reason. I guess the black and gold. But the first page, we have this really pretty girl. She's all dressed up. This box has foil on it. It's very shiny gold foil. This is a very like a glam sticker pack. This says Ain't Life Grand. Party time there, party like Gatsby. Those designs are really cool on there. And these boxes are pretty neat too. It's just very different. All the girls are dressed up in their 20s gear. It's really the wrong word for it. 20s outfits, I should say. Have a roaring good time. We've got some necklaces there and groups of girls having a blast. Okay, so important to do plans, important to do plans, important. I love the font. It is definitely very retro and they're all having fun here under that really cool banner or just an arch. So yeah, definitely shiny gold box there. This says a little party never killed nobody. I love that. And we have a couple of black balloons, some just party stuff there. And then all the stuff you need for a masquerade party, like the mask and cake and a feather. I don't know. It's just really cool. And the lamb, like I said, look at that dress. That is wild. I would never wear it, but hey, if you're someone who would wear that dress, more power to you. You have more guts than me. Here's all the fancy girls. These are on clear, by the way. And a bunch of different girls. Some of them are together, some separate. And then Party Like Gatsby. I love her, and that's the beginning and end of everything. Really cute sticker pack. Like I said, I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve or, I don't know, for like a retro party or any time really. Now we have Planner Babe sticker book. Let's take a look at this. By the way, if you're going to purchase anything that I show you today, I would love it if you'd use my affiliate links. It really does help me out. As a full-time content creator, it is part of what makes up my income, so thank you for that. All right, so the first page, we have some boxes. This says this week. By the way, if you use my link, you automatically get 10% off by using that link. So, okay. So this is more of like a neutral sticker pack that is like all planner related, right? Look at that font. I love the font. It says get it done, to do, top priority. Definitely like more neutral vibe than usual. We have a checklist here with all little paper clips. Love the neutral colored boxes. Some of them have patterns on them. We have some really fancy ones there. Design the life you love. Get it done. If not now, then when? Keep planning. Lots of different size boxes here for you too. I love these ones that look like ripped paper. Super cute. More of those. Planner's gonna plan. She's putting all sorts of sticky notes on her mirror, like you are creative, you matter, all that kind of stuff. Really fun stickers. I love the strips. So I think if you're watching this, you're probably a planner and you'll probably like this because it's all about our hobby. Planners, planning on being awesome. Lots of cute strip stickers there. These are on clear, so I think this was a misprint probably. Yeah, it looks like it, but you could either cut out the middle or you can write with permanent marker on there. That always works. Or you can stick like another sticker inside it, something like that. Okay, so here we have the girls hanging out and some flowers. These are on clear, more clear for you. That girl's so funny. Look at her with her head in her planner. That's me, except probably I don't have that much hair, but you know, my head's usually in a planner. If it's not in the clouds, it's in a planner. Whoa, there goes my background. Okay, so more of this. We have planners upon planners upon planners. So cute. Even a Stanley mug. The only thing holding my life together is my planner and this bag. These pencils say, be awesome, dream big, do what you love, fight like a girl, you do you, girl power. She is strong, fierce, brave, full of fire. I almost bought a chair like this for my new makeup vanity, but I changed my mind at the last minute and decided to use a chair I had laying around the house to save money. Stationary, never stationary. Love that. So many illustrations for you, like little planners with all the tools, all that kind of stuff. And flowers that match. Happy National Sticker Day. Planning is my therapy. Let's plan. Happy National Planner Day. What a cute sticker book. I cannot wait to use it in this spread. All right, now let's look at this. This is my life, you guys. This is my life. Okay, let's take a look at these pet tapes really, really quickly. And then we will start the plan with me portion. This one is called the Vintage Sewing Pet Tape. That is so cute. If you are a seamstress, you would love this one. It keeps going. There's so many different things in here, and they're all like vintage sewing related. I can't sew anything, so I've said this before. If I try to sew a button on, it's really bad. Like I can do it, it's just really, really jankety, and it's not good. It's not good. I don't know why, because my mom can sew. And I guess she never taught me. I don't know, Mom, if you're watching, did you teach me and I just had no interest? That's very possible. But yeah, I'm just not good at it at all. When I was in high school, I had a sewing class. I had home ec sewing, and I made a shark pillow. That's all I remember making, and I really did like the shark pillow, but I remember the sewing machine being very tricky for me. I don't know. This next one is called 𝘮𝘰𝘮𝘬𝘓 Pet Tape. Oh my goodness. It's also worth mentioning that these are matte. They're not shiny, and also they're each individual stickers that you can just pull off. This is so cool. This is a really cool one. Look at that. This would be great for like junk journaling. This next one is called Watercolor Peonies, and if you love the color purple, you will absolutely 100% love this one. It has so many cute flowers and little blobs and all sorts of stuff in there. This one is called My Blue Garden. It is so gorgeous. Look at the florals. It has an old-fashioned garden cottagey vibe. So if that's your vibe, you'll love this. I think it's so pretty. This one is called Folk Blue. I love that color. Look at the bird. Oh my gosh. This is so different. I just love these pet tapes. They're so different. I do forget to use them sometimes, I will say, because I have so many stickers, but I will try to remember to use them more often for you guys. This last one is called Planner Babe. This is the one that goes along with the sticker book. So it's like all the stickers in the book. Well, probably not all of them. Whoops. Many, many stickers in the book, but you get them in roll form. It's also a little bit cheaper if you really love the stickers but don't want to get the whole book. So let's decorate a quick little daily planner sheet, and I'll write in it too. I am feeling very overwhelmed. December is the busiest month for me as far as my work goes, and I do use a daily planner for work, and I just feel like I need to get everything down. So I'm definitely going to use this page, but I'm also going to decorate it a little bit using that Planner Babe sticker book just to make it cute. I've said this before, I don't always decorate my daily planner pages. I don't usually show you the ones that aren't decorated because I write kind of sloppy in them, and I don't, you know, they're not pretty, but they're functional for me. But sometimes I do like to, you know, switch it up and make them pretty. It makes my heart happy. I just don't have the time, you know, or the energy really to decorate it every day. So let's just decorate it quick, and I'll show you how easy it is to make your daily planner pages cute and functional. So I want to put some strips on here. I saw those really cute strips, these, and they act like washi tape, but they're not. I just think it's so pretty. So I thought maybe I'd stick one there, although there's not really room, is there? Let's cover up reminders on today. Okay, right away it's cute. I could use this somewhere else, but I think I will save it. And maybe we put a little bit down here too. How about we put this across here? Let's see what else we've got going on here. I want to put this girl on the page because I just like her a lot. Whoops. She's so cute. I want to put this little lamp on here too. Why not? Because this is like my work planner, so this feels like a little work lamp. I kind of wish I had a lamp that looked like that. So I'm going to cover up this exclamation point. I don't usually like it there. And I'm going to use this little planner because today's focus is planners, because I'm a planner and that's what I do for work. You can see a little bit of the gray peeking out, but I don't care that much. Now I want to use some of these headers. So this is going to be top priority. Actually, let's change the color. Do like a brown up here. Top priority, 1, 2, 3. It should be priorities, but I kind of like it like that. I know it's priorities. And then here, let's do this color because we have this color down here. So it's going to kind of go with that. And then something here. Let's do get it done, because this is going to be my filming list for the day. Okay, that's crooked. I don't really care that much, but okay, that's so cute. Do I need anything else? I'm going to leave it like this because I think it's really cute and simple. And although maybe I should write categories here, actually, wait. Kind of big though. I want space to write. You know what? I'm probably just going to write my categories here just because I want the extra space. Let's put, you know what? I'm not going to do anything else to this page. I really do like it as is, but let's decorate the back because these are double-sided, and that way I'm going to be able to have 2 days, and I'll give you some more ideas because that was so quick, but it is quick decorating these. Let's see. Plans are nothing. Planning is everything. Let's put it right here. I mean, I don't know if I necessarily agree with that statement. Plans are something, but still, since I'm a planner, let's put that down. And let's see. I really like these pencils, but I don't know. Let's put these little glasses up here because they're cute. And I need to move this here because I'm right-handed. I feel like I'm going over my page. Let's do this one because she's looking at her planner and smiling. That is me. Definitely don't look like her, but oh no, wait, I'm gonna have to now put a box there. I forgot that that's like cutting her head in half. That's okay, we can find a box to go there. Problem solved. Okay, did I get a cat here and there? Let's put a couple of boxes here and here, I guess. Or maybe we just do another header like that to do. And get it done. I'm going to take this sticker and put it down here. And I know you're going to see the lines through it, but this is just for me. And it's like quick and easy planning. So I'm not too concerned about it being perfect. And I like that because she's hanging out with her iced coffee, it looks like, and the planner and a book and glasses. Okay. Maybe one more thing up there. How about some washi tape? Should I put it here? Actually, I do want to put it here. Okay, I think this page is good too, so you can see how quick and simple you can make your daily pages if you just want to add a little bit of decoration to them. That's the first one, that's the second one. They're both super cute. I'm going to go ahead and plan for tomorrow. So today is December 5th. You're seeing this on the 7th, but I'm going to plan for the 6th. So let's write it down here. Like I said, this is my work planner, so all the stuff I'm going to be writing down is work related. Let's write the categories here. So I'm going to write videos to film here, but this is editing. And this one will just be other. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet. So I'm going to go ahead and write my top 3 priorities here for tomorrow. Now I'm going to write the videos that I'm going to be filming here. And now editing. And now I'm going to write my long to-do list here for the day. This is not stuff that I get done all in one day. This is basically kind of a mini brain dump, and I write down everything that I think I need to do. And then I check off what I did, and then I transfer it to the next day. So I may only get 4 things done on this list. It's just a running to-do list for me, and I keep transferring it over, and eventually it all gets done. That's just how I do it. I think it's kind of a reminder for me of everything that's going on with my work life. Okay, that's everything that I can think of that's currently in my brain. And what I do is I put this in my planner, and then I, whenever I think of something, I just jot it down here. And like I said, I transfer it over when I'm done. Okay, so you can kind of see how helpful daily sheets can be. You can use these categories here for whatever you need. And of course, you can always switch it up. I love using the daily planners. I think they're so helpful. And I'll be excited when I can flip it over and see this the next day, and I'll have something cute to write on. So don't forget that Rongrong release is happening right now. So you can, check it out, see what else is there. And if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, I would appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you guys use daily sheets, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.